last 25 years, the PBA has been proudly known as the League of the Masses. At yan po ay pinapatunayan ng libo-libong taong dumalo dito sa Araneta Coliseum para sa opening day ng 25th year Silver Anniversary Season at milyon-milyon pa na nanonood sa atin sa buong Pilipinas. And today, well, it's quite fittingly that the question is, sino kaya ang magiging bagong koponan ng masa? Ang dating kampiyon, Barangay Ginebra, o ang bagong salta, ang Batang Red Bull? Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat mga kaibigan. Welcome sa Bayan ng Superstars for the opening day ng 25th year ng inyong liga, ang Philippine Basketball Association. Ako po si Noli Iyala, kasama si Kinito Henson para sa Viva Vintage Sports. And today, well, being opening day, it has been a blast, Kinito. Pambihira naging opening day, opening ceremonies natin, star-studded, and we are still starstruck.
Partner, ibang-iba ang feeling dito sa Araneta Coliseum, mga kaibigan. Nakita na natin ang ating program, opening season program, and we truly are excited. Ibang-iba ang atmosphere dito sa loob ng Big Dome.
Alam mo, pinag-uusapan natin ang pagpapasimula ng ating bagong season ng PBA. Well, of course, there will be still 3 conferences. Magpapasimula ng All-Filipino Cup. At itong All-Filipino Cup, maganda ang ating format because we have a new team, ang Batang Red Bull, which completes 10 teams for this year.
Totoo yan, partner. And the 10 teams have been split into 2 groups. At ang grouping natin, mga kaibigan, well, a team will play its group mates once, and tapos sa kabilang grupo will play them twice. Now, we will tell you which teams will fall in what group later on as the game progresses. Subalit mga kaibigan, dapat sabihin natin that each team will have 14 guaranteed games sa ating eliminations. After the eliminations, magkakaroon tayo ng quarterfinals format. Yung twice to beat advantage will be there. We will have a best of 5 semifinals and of course, our best of 7 finals.
Well, marami po kaming huntahan paniginito dito sa opening day, lalong-lalo na ang laban ng Barangay Ginebra at saka Batang Red Bull sa aming pagbabalik dito sa PBA. Welcome back sa Bayan ng Superstars mga kaibigan. Well, pinag-uusapan natin ang bagong season ganito. May mga bagong rules din tayo dito sa ating pagpapasimula ng 25th year ng PBA. Some rules na nakuha natin from the NBA.
Partner, isa lang ang significant rule change natin dito sa PBA this season. Ito yung tinatawag natin yung 14-second reset rule, no? Meaning to say that hindi na yung magre-reset sa 24 seconds. Ito, kinikiliti tayo ni Berhel Meneses. Hindi na tayo magre-reset ng 24 seconds in situations where, for instance, yung illegal defense, yung first violation, hindi na yung magre-reset. If the time expired is less than 14, no? If it's less than 14, it will go back only to 14, hindi na 24.
Okay.
Kundi, kasi pa ng panahon, no?
Pabilis ng ating laro yan, of course. And of course, a lot of the teams nagpalakas. Yan ang sigurong, ayan na naman si Berhel. Mamaya, lalaro ka, Berhel. Alam mo, maraming koponan dito nagpalakas kinito. Alam natin, lahat ng koponan nagpalakas. And pag pinag-uusapan ng pagpapalakas, well, hindi nahuhuli ang Barangay Ginebra. Gone is Marlo Aquino, gone is Benny Cheng, retired na po si Alan Caydic as full-time head coach. But then, June Limpot is in and a couple of new faces.
Well, partner, malaking pagbabago yung lineup ng Barangay Ginebra, no? Actually, if you were take a look at the history of this franchise, partner, no? Last championship nila, 1997 second conference, ang natitirang player nila from that champion team, dadalawa na lang, no? Wilmer Ong at saka si Bal David. Wala na yung dalawang Jaworski, Senator Jaworski of course, and his son Dodon. Wala na si Vince Hison, wala na si Noli Locsin, wala na din si Marlo Aquino. However, nandiyan na ngayon sina June Limpot, kasama niya si Alex Crisano, Ronald Magtulis from the Metropolitan Basketball Association. Nandiyan din si Bancho Calpito. 4 ang bagong player ng Barangay Ginebra, and Coach Alan Caydic hopes that with this new infusion of blood, makakaroon ng well, bagong energy itong Barangay Ginebra.
Barangay Ginebra continues to be the crowd favorite sa Bayan ng Superstars, and obviously they will try to get some energy from that particular factor. Well, inito pinag-usapan natin ang mga bagong player. June Limpot certainly is a key player para sa Barangay Ginebra. He will bring a lot of new scoring, a lot of options para kay Alan Caydic sa koponan na to.
Alam mo, partner, sa tingin ko, no? Itong Barangay Ginebra is fit and ready to play a triangle. Nandyan si June Limpot. He can play that post position very well. Parang Scottie Pippen yan, no? He can play outside, he can play inside. Tapos meron siyang Bal David, meron din siyang Elmer Lago. Marami na silang mga options, no? And of course, you have to say that Berhel Meneses will always be the primary offensive option ng Barangay Ginebra. Kanya mukhang fully loaded ang Barangay Ginebra this season.
Pati yung mga player nang gugulo dito, gusto yata nila hindi lamang maglaro ng basketball, maging panelist pa. Punta tayo sa kabila, Kinito, Batang Red Bull. Well, this is the new kid on the block. And definitely, pagdating sa bagong mga koponan, a lot of hope, a lot of expectation. Of course, sabi ni Coach Yeng Giao, wag masyado naman. We just want to play decent. But this is a team that certainly will compete dito sa ating 25th year.
I think so. May championship tradition itong Batang Red Bull. In the Philippine Basketball League, mga kaibigan, last season, this was the only team that finished in the top 3 of all 3 conferences ng PBL. Kanya may winning tradition itong Batang Red Bull, and I'm sure that is a tradition that they will bring to the PBA. At well, ano naman natin itong Batang Red Bull, in any rookie team dito sa PBA, they will bring in an exciting brand of run and gun basketball.
They're a team that is looking to become the 3rd team, rookie team, to win their season opener after Tanduay did it, of course, last year. And you talk about Batang Red Bull, dapat pag-usapan natin ang kanilang mga players, Bagito at mga veterano, led of course by the exciting Jimwell Turayon.
Well, si Torion, palagay ko, he will be an ideal matchup here for Baldavid. Yan ang isang matchup na siguro pwede nating pantayan dito sa larong ito. No? Marami nagsasabi ito si Jimwell Torion, recovered from a car accident, will be the new Baldavid. At sabi naman ni Baldavid, there is only one Baldavid.
In fact, sabi ni Yeng Giao, hinambing siya kay Johnny Abariento. Certainly, malaking karangalan para kay Jimwell Torion. Of course, kung may maliit, meron ding malaki. And we're talking about the rookie and the young boy, si Kirby Raimundo.
19 years old, partner, but he stands 6'7". Marami nagsasabi he is the new Jun Limpot. At sa sinasabi naman ni Jun Limpot, iisa lang ang Jun Limpot dito sa PBA. Yan din ang isang matchup na dapat natin bantayan. Kirby Raimundo versus Jun Limpot. So many great matchups in this particular game. At ang paglalabanan ng Batang Red Bull at saka Barangay Ginebra is bragging rights. Which team will be the team of the masses? At sabi ng Batang Red Bull, sila daw ang bagong koponan ng PBA is the team of the masses. At sabi ng Barangay Ginebra, sila naman still is the Barangay Ginebra
ang dating
of old.
kampiyon. Ang dating kampiyon. Well, of course, ang dami pang player dyan, yung mga Bagito. When you talk about Bagito, kailangan naman meron din veterano para sa Batang Red Bull. Sino pa ang magiging leader nila kung hindi yung dating 1992 MVP na si Ato Agustin?
Well, ang sabi nga ni Coach Yeng Giao, incidentally, he's making a comeback to the PBA after a 3-year vacation. And we were talking to him, sabi niya, he's itching to get back on the coaching scene, and here it is. His dream come true once again. This is the comeback of Yeng Giao. Sabi mo nga si Ato Agustin, he is also making a comeback here with his rookie team. At kasama din niya si Edwin Reyes, Chris Bolado. So marami din sila mga veterano, and let's not forget Glenn Capasio.
Exactly.
Sabi ni Yeng Giao, down the stretch with the game on the line, he will most likely go to the veterans. But of course, Kirby Raimundo, Jimwell Torion, Lorly Tugade, nandyan lahat sila.
Huwag mo kalimutan si Davon Harp, of course, ang kanilang Phil-American na isa pang wide body who certainly can bang away. And today, maaari siyang itapat kay Alex Crisano naman ng Barangay Ginebra, who's also wide body being brought in to the Barangay Ginebra fold.
Well, nabanggit mo si Crisano at saka si Harp, no? Yes, that will be another matchup to watch out for here. Both are bangers. Both do not really shoot from the outside. Ang game nila nasa loob to get the rebounds, play defense, intimidate. At palagay ko magkakaroon tayo ng napakagandang bakbakan sa loob with Crisano at saka si Harp.
Alam mo partner, ang Batang Red Bull came in full force. Talagang hinatak nila ang kanilang mga fans mula pa doon sa PBL patungo dito sa Araneta Coliseum, and kalahati ng Big Dome actually is occupied by Batang Red Bull, so hindi magpapatalo to today kung sa home court advantage ng Barangay Ginebra. And when you talk about Barangay Ginebra, of course, you've also got to talk about ang kanilang bagong head coach, ang kanilang full-time head coach na ngayon na si Alan Caydic. Certainly Alan Caydic wants to prove that he has a place among the head coaches dito sa PBA.
And what a history of Alan Caydic. Incidentally, Alan Caydic was picked in the expansion draft by Batang Red Bull. Kanya medyo napuwersa na si Alan Caydic to retire because he was still thinking of perhaps playing another season. Pero sabi niya, mahirap nang iwanan niya itong Barangay Ginebra. So he is now a full-time head coach with Barangay Ginebra, coming off a 34% winning percentage season, but with a lot of hope, with a lot of promise.
Batang Red Bull, one of the winningest teams in the PBL, hoping to make its name here in the PBA. On the other hand, Barangay Ginebra trying to redeem itself from what was a poor end in a beautiful season last year. Today, maglalaban po dalawang koponan ng masa sa pagpapasimula ng Bayan ng Superstars dito po sa Big Dome. We'll be back with the action in just a short while.
path of growth and development with the entry of a new expansion team.
Mga kaibigan, the PBA is not only alive and kicking, we are rocking, and we are up to the bleacher section. Talagang punong-puno po tayo dito sa loob ng Big Dome as we prepare for the opening toss ng unang laban ng 25th year, the silver anniversary season ng inyong bayan ng Superstars. And
Partner, ibang-iba din ang new look ng Araneta Coliseum. We've got to thank our good friend Mr. George Nene Araneta for making this possible, the refurbishing of the Araneta Coliseum. But before that,
merong presentation ng isang plaque of recognition to our former chairman, Ray Gamboa, from the new chairman of the board, Wilfred Stephen Oitengsu of Alaska, together with, of course, Commissioner June Bernardino sa pagpapasimula ng ating laro. Again, Chairman Ray Gamboa, of course, was instrumental in a tremendous turnaround last year ng PBA.
well, tough act to follow yung mga nagawa ni Chairman Gamboa, but I'm sure Mr. Oitengsu is up to the task.
And as usual, we are just about ready. This is the ceremonial opening toss na mangyayari. Pero bago yan, of course, tatawagin ang magpapasimula para sa dalawang koponan na maglalaban sa ating first game sa Bayan ng Superstars. Barangay Ginebra laban sa Batang Red Bull. Happy to have you with us, Philippines. What a crowd sa loob ng Big Dome. And alam mo, Kinito, we're also very excited sa ating panel, sa ating coverage, because with our new partners, of course, ang Viva, definitely our coverage will be exciting, reinvigorated, and talagang saksakan ng daming sorpresa.
Partner, siguro pwede natin sabihin, bigger and better than ever before. Ang ating partnership, vintage with Viva, and the new group that is backing up the television coverage sa palagay ko. This is going to be a season to watch.
Indeed, sa 25th year of the PBA, Coach Yang Giao, bagong ahit, and naitawag na po ang unit ng Batang Red Bull. Samantala, ito i-announce naman ang unang magpapasimula naman para sa panig ng Barangay Ginebra. When you talk about these two teams, certainly, you know, you're talking about two teams na gigil, Kinito, na makapaglaro at magpakita na kaya nilang lumaban dito sa 25th
O partner, ito
year.
na ang starting five na pinapakilala ng Barangay Ginebra. And I want to make a point here. Merong isang familiar face sa bangko ng Barangay Ginebra, and that's Ron Jacobs.
There he is.
The coaching consultant, formerly of San Miguel Beer, is now going to sit as a team official of Barangay Ginebra.
Yes.
Kanya palagay ko, that is a start of things to come.
And our starting five is brought to you by QuickTite, the all-in-one glue. Yan po ang unit for Barangay Ginebra and Batang Red Bull. And right away, Crisano and Harp together, Raimundo and Limpot together. Samantala si Ato Agustin na magpapasimula sa guardia para sa Batang Red Bull. As the ceremonial toss is done by Chairman Oitengsu of the PBA, together with, of course, Commissioner June Bernardino, and we're just about ready to go.
O partner, so much has been written and so much has been said about Kirby Raimundo. No? Napakagaling niyang player. He was the MVP in the NCAA, steered Letran to the championship. But this is going to be his baptism of fire in the pros. Gaano ba kagaling ito si Kirby Raimundo? Palagay ko, makikita natin in this game.
A lot of people have said that he is good. He is absolutely good. Well, this guy is one of the youngest na umakyat sa PBA, mga kaibigan. So, give him time, Kirby Raimundo. But, well, he's a player to watch out for. The toss and the tap won by Batang Red Bull. Agustin, na pinag-usapan din natin yan ni Coach Yang Giao, Kinito, and he said that Ato Agustin is in tip-top shape, maybe in the best shape of his life since he won the MVP back in 1992.
Exactly, partner. At ang ibibigay ni Agustin dito, partner, is his leadership and his experience. Ito, bukas na bukas, yung depensa ng Barangay Ginebra sa loob. Devon Hop, easy 2 points, not challenged.
That's one other thing about Raimundo. He can certainly pass. He watched, he looked for the open man. Nakita niya si Von Harp. And Harp delivering the first 2 points of the 2000 season. Limpot sa kanto. Wala. Harp controls.
Ito, tumatakbo yung Batang Red Bull. At saka si Harp ang nagdadala ng bola.
At sabi ni Glenn Capasio, dahan-dahanin natin yan. That's what the veterans bring to this team. Here's Kirby.
Partner, interesting ang ating matchup natin. No? It's not Crisano and Hart, but Crisano and Kirby Raimundo. Kita mo naman ang galaw ni Kirby Raimundo. Nice twirl. Foul on Crisano.
Foul number
Quick
43.
move in Alex Crisano,
That's his first
who transferred from the
foul on
NBA
Barangay Ginebra.
sa Bayan ng Superstars, picks up his first foul.
Kamukha ni Chito Lizagay to si Alex Crisano.
Okay, yung headband pa niya. Brings the tradition back.
Kaibigan natin si Chito.
Of course, si Joey Loizaga still playing for Alaska Milk. Here's Ato Agustina, double team. Inilabas. Valenzuela goes inside. Missing that one.
Maganda yung help defense na ginawa ni Junlin po at that time. He didn't play good defense against Harp. The last time out, kanya medyo redeeming defense yung pinakita ni Junlin po at that time.
Samantala sa Barangay Ginebra, nabanggit natin, Val David has been playing exceptionally well, especially in the preseason. Rebound by Harp off a Lago miss. Here's Junti Valenzuela. Kakaproblema, libre si Agustin. Wala. Tapik. Handled last by Barangay Ginebra.
Devon Harp, partner, has been dominating the boards. At si Alex Crisano's got his work cut out for him. Ito, si Crisano now is on Harp. So makikita na natin yung matchup, Raimundo versus Jun Limpot.
Yes. Glenn Capasio from Palo Leyte. Playing in his 13th season. Here's Glenn, cutting in, goes up, sapal. Ni Jun Limpot, no foul.
Partner, yan ang tinatawag natin na open and shot case. Binukas nila yung lane for the drive-in by Glenn Capasio, pero nando naman yung mamalalaki ng Barangay Ginebra to shut the door on Capasio.
Meneses, unang tira, in and out. Wala pa rin puntos ang Barangay Ginebra. 9.5 remaining sa unang yugto. Opening game ng Bayan ng Superstars. Libre si Glenn from the corner, in and out, and the ball tap, saved by Val David.
Both teams getting good looks, partner, from the outside, but I think they need to settle down. Alam mo, iba din kung opening game sa ating silver anniversary season.
Alam mo, kahit saan, basta pagpapasimula, may konting kalawang, may konting higil. That shot will be nullified. Prior to that one, nagkaroon ng foul laban kay Glenn Capasio, and Capasio will
Foul
pick up
number
his
12,
first
Glenn
foul.
Capasio, his first foul,
Batang
first
Red Bull.
team
Mga
foul,
partner,
Batang
kung
Red
titignan natin
Bull.
itong lineup ng Barangay Ginebra on the floor, they've got so many offensive options. Vergel Meneses can take the ball strong from the outside. He can post up. Nandiyan din si Val David who can penetrate and kick out as he did kanina to Jun Limpot. Yung nga lang, hindi pumasok yung tira from the baseline by Jun Limpot.
Jun Limpot, proud of Surigao. Gives it to Val David.
Ito, pumuposto si Vergel Meneses looking for the ball. Maganda rin ang depensa ng Batang Red Bull. 4 seconds to go. So gotta take the shot.
Limpot faking, Raimundo goes up. Short on that one.
Walang masyadong movement sa offense ng Barangay Ginebra. They've gotta get more movement.
Here's the bang-bang matchup. Harp goes up with a left hand, and he will draw the foul. His second foul. Laban kay Alex Crisano.
Dalawa na yun, partner. Well,
Foul number 43,
very early adjustment.
Alex
Nakita ni
Crisano, his
Coach
second
Alan
foul,
Taidik na
second
hindi
team
kaya
foul,
ni
Barangay
Jun
Ginebra.
Harp, who's been dominating underneath both boards. He
At the
assigned
line, shooting for two,
malaki niya si
Devon
Crisano on Harp,
Harp.
but now Crisano has had to pay the price. 2 personal fouls now on the Filipino-Italian.
Devon Harp, ang kanyang mga numbers back in their PBL season last year, 11.7 points per game, which was 8th best in the league. And 12.3 rebounds per game. That was the best sa PBL.
Ang balita natin, ito si Devon Harp came from the East Coast. Rekomendado siya ni Sam Onera. And Harp comes from that general Pennsylvania area where Sam Onera has an interest in the USBL team. The Pennsylvania Valley Dogs at Devon Harp missing everything.
Everything. And Devon Harp is clapping away. Well, that's something that, well, comes to every player. Yung most embarrassing moment.
Alam mo, partner, I think he will come back from that with renewed vigor. Kanya, huwag magtataka itong Barangay Ginebra kung biglang bumulusok ito si Devon Harp. So watch out for him.
Well, at least that's an early chink in his armor na nakikita natin. Limpot is open and he gets the first 2 points of Barangay Ginebra.
Again, the pass coming from Vergel Meneses. Meneses, one of the league's best passers, partner, no? His assist average over 5 a game. Kanya, alam natin ito si Vergel Meneses, double barrel ang kanyang offensive threat. He can pass and he can score.
Certain point in his career, he led the league in assists the entire season. Samantala, this guy led the league entirely back in 1992 with an MVP.
Partner, nice scoop shot by Ato Agustin. Yung depensa, hindi siya sinundan. And you've got to be able to chase down a player who knows how to curl like Ato Agustin.
Bagong pasok si Will Marong, pinultol na niya si Alex Cusano who picked up 2 early fouls. Samantala, unang tira ng The Flash, wala.
Mapapansin natin, partner, kulang na kulang sa rebounding strength itong Barangay Ginebra. They cannot get second attempts at the basket.
So far, Harp has done a marvelous job.
Excellent job, partner.
3 defensive rebounds for Von Harp.
Ito si Junti Valenzuela, isa sa mga na-elevate ng Red Bull. Here's Raimundo against Limpot, and Harp is fouled on the way in.
You know, I really admire the way Raimundo moves. He has quickness and he has dribbling ability. Kinito so far, pinapakita niya na may galaw ito sa poste.
Well, and sabi nga ni Coach Yengia, no, he's a sort of player who can do it all. No? He's got nice size, meron siyang dribbling ability, nakaka-score from outside. He can play the power forward position. At sabi niya, siya siguro ang bagong Danny Ildefonso.
Kaya naman, miski anong ika nga hiling ng ibang mga kupunan na kunin itong si Raimundo, as you see Valenzuela getting inside. Great move on the rookie, Junti Valenzuela.
Well, in that situation, partner, yung mga malalaki ng Barangay Ginebra, binabantayan nila yung dalawang malalaki ng Red Bull. Kanya na bukas yung gitna, and Valenzuela coming straight in for the shot.
6-2 is our score. Abante po ang batang Red Bull. Sabi ko nga, ito si Raimundo, miski anong hiling, miski na Santa Lucia to trade. Ayaw nilang ibigay si Raimundo. What a move from the main man. The big deal.
Ito sinasabi natin, June Limpot, hindi magpapatalo yan, partner, no? Not to a rookie.
Alam mo, isang beses ko lang nakita yung galaw na yon. Si Hakeem Olajuwon, ginawa niya yun isang beses. O maraming beses sa NBA. But Limpot showing a thing or two now. Here's Devon Harp, banging, goes up, short stab. And there's gonna be a foul. Laban kay Harp.
At partner, bagsak si June Limpot. But yes, a loose ball foul at Devon Harp. Good defense, good stand-up defense by June Limpot, partner.
We'll talk about June Limpot. He has been, of course, the main talk during the offseason. His transfer, a blockbuster trade. Watch this move. Easy does it for the main man.
Partner, pero si Olajuwon, ginagawa niyan without the use of the glass.
Oh.
Pero si June Limpot, gumamit siya ng banda. Oh,
Tira.
that's a foul.
Hammered.
He was hammered and he was brought down, pero walang tawag yung referee. Here we go again with Batang Red Bull.
Agustin, tinatauhan ni Bal David. Muy, masyado malakas. Air ball, picked up by Limpot.
Kita natin itong Barangay Ginebra, partner. Hindi sila tumatakbo, no? They want to set it up. They've got a lot of offensive options. At nagdadala ng bola ngayon si Vergel Meneses.
At yun yata ang estilo din na dinadala ni Ron Jacobs dito sa koponan na to, Kinito. Yung slow down. Alam naman natin nung nagko-coach sa San Miguel, they really seldom took the fast break.
O partner, depende din kung sino ang personal na nasa loob. No, Vergel Meneses, for instance, is a great player who can break down any sort of half-court defense, no, with his one-on-one ability. Kaya palagay ko na kung nandun si Vergel Meneses, wala naman silang opportunity to score in the open court. They will go to the half-court set.
And we will take a break. Babalik po tayo sa Bayan ng Superstars. Nothing can pack him like the PBA. And today, well, eto na naman kami. Opening day sa Bayan ng Superstars, 25th year, silver anniversary season ng inyong liga.
Alam mo, partner, pwede natin sabihin itong Araneta Coliseum is like an NBA arena.
Oh, yes.
State of the art ito, partner, and what a fine tribute to the owner and the management team behind the Araneta Coliseum. No? Ang kanilang refurbishing program, I understand, cost initially 200 million pesos, and this is still in the process of still being refurbished.
Wow. A lot of money, and that's why it shows. Devon Harp with the left hand. And Harp now has a total of 4 points in the game. Abante pa rin ang batang Red Bull ng 2, 8-6.
Well, partner, kung papansinin natin ang mga galaw ni Devon Harp, he's a player who can not only post up, but also can attack the basket from the outside.
That's
no?
right.
Facing the basket, kanya medyo mahirap pa depensahan itong post-up player na to. No?
And you notice he likes to use the left hand. Oh, nice pass! Magtulis missing that one. Ronald Magtulis, who checked in kanina para kay Vergel Meneses. And an easy layup, the rookie missing off a pass by Limpot. Tira ni Capasio, sablay.
Wide open shot by Glenn Capasio, partner, in the pros. You cannot afford to miss open shots like those.
Especially kung ang pwesto mo yung shooting guard.
Oo.
Here's Magtulis. Also a draftee by Barangay Ginebra. Natapik ni Judy Valenzuela yung bola mula kay Elmer Lago. Lago, most improved player last year.
3 seconds na lang. Hindi yata nila alam. Ito yung tira.
Wilmer Rong, and that doesn't touch the ring. So magkakaroon tayo ng unang 24-second shot clock violation laban sa Barangay Ginebra. And now we see the first appearance of Jimwell Torion.
Partner Ron Jacobs of Barangay Ginebra. Nagre-react dun sa nangyari doon, no? Because his players did not get the right kind of movement to get off a shot within 24 seconds, partner. No?
Oh.
And that's the second time actually it happened. The first time, hindi sila nag-24-second violation, but it took a hurried shot towards the end of the 24-second clock. Ito na si Torion. Ito na yung sinasabi natin.
Torion
versus
goes up,
Baldavid.
goes up. Oh, yes, sorry!
Ito na, first shot, first basket.
What a move! Parang ipo-ipo. Jimwell Torion introducing himself to the flash. Sabi niya, mabilis din ako, partner. Here's David going up. Hindi kayo magpahiya. Yes!
Ito ang sinasabi natin. Yung mga veterano ng Barangay Ginebra, hindi sila magpapatayo. Talo. Kanina si Jun Limpot, pinakitaan niya si Kirby Raimundo. Ito naman si Baldavid. Pinapakitaan niya si Jimwell Torion.
Jimwell Torion ranked number 1 pagdating sa assist sa PBL. Samantala nagkaroon ng
There will be an offensive
foul. Illegal pick. Laban kay Kirby Raimundo on that particular play. That will be the first foul on Kirby Raimundo.
Pero parte ng bilis itong Torion, ha?
Watch it. Pinag-uusapan ng mabilis. Look at the spin. Ang ipo-ipo going up even against the big man off the glass.
He's got wings on his feet. Yan po si Jimwell Torion.
And Torion getting his name on the scoreboard. 10-8. Abante pa rin ang Batang Red Bull ng dalawa. 2:43 remaining sa unang nito.
Partner, Barangay Ginebra taking too long to set the table. Here's the shot. Again, they take the shot with just 2 or 1 second left on the shot clock.
And there's going to be a loose ball foul here. Laban kay Junti Valenzuela. On that drive by Baldavid. Nagkaroon ng scramble. And the action has picked up. And we're just in the first quarter. Barangay Ginebra trails by 2 sa Batang Red Bull. Tuloy po isang magandang gabi sa inyo lahat mga kaibigan. Noli Iyala po kasama si Kinito Henson. Opening day ng Bayan ng Superstars at sa kasalukuyan, abante pa rin ang Batang Red Bull ng dalawa, 10-8 laban sa Barangay Ginebra.
Mga partner, binalik ni Coach Alan Gaydic si Vergel Meneses. So now he's going to be teaming up with Magtulis. Kanina nakita natin si Magtulis ang pumalit kay Vergel Meneses.
At iniupo niya si Baldavid. So this is a big lineup. Lusot si Meneses.
Reverse!
Yan ang galaw.
Yes, at sabi ni Vergel Meneses, introducing myself to, sino ba yun? Si Valenzuela yata?
Valenzuela.
Okay.
Sabi niya, my name is Vergel Meneses. I am a former PBA MVP. If you don't know yet. Devon Harp, laban kay Jun Limpot. He has been a force in the paint. Torion is blocked by Jun Limpot.
Partner,
That is a prime candidate sa ating Super Volcasil Tapal King.
Partner, dito sa ating first quarter, marami nang pinapakita si Jun Limpot. Good rebounding, good defense, good scoring. Kita mo naman ang crossover ni Vergel Meneses and there will be a foul.
That will be a foul against Valenzuela. Pangalawang foul yan ni Junti Valenzuela. You know, one thing about Torion, and sinabi rin nito sa atin ni Coach Yeng Giao, sometimes he plays out of control and that's why kailangan siyang parang rendahan ng mga veterano katulad ni Ato Agustin.
Alam mo partner, ang ginawa naman ng coaching staff ng Barangay Ginebra, nakita nila ito si Baldavid who started the game. Medyo pagod na ng konti, no? Kanya medyo pinapakitaan siya ni Torion. But now, ang kalaban ni Torion ay mas malaki sa kanya. And it's going to be Elmer Lago. Kanya magandang coaching adjustment ang ginawa ng Barangay Ginebra.
At maganda rin ang adjustment pagdating sa offense. Magtulis, cutting inside, getting the open shot. Devon Harp gets into Raimundo. Libre si Agustin pansamantala. Tumira sa labas. Yes, sir! Stepped on the line, though, for 2 points. And that's the 4th deadlock of the game. Tabla po tayo sa 12-all with 1 minute and 12 remaining in the first quarter.
Partner, nandiyan pa rin ang kamay ni Ato Agustin. We've got 2 MVPs here on the floor and there will be a foul on Harp. Coming from behind.
Pangalawang foul yan ni Harp.
Tama din yung ginagawa ni Jun Limpot. Partner, he's posting up high to move Devon Harp away from the shaded area.
Si Devon Harp parang si Ali Peak Parang walang medyas dun sa kanyang
Oo nga, no?
paglalaro, no? At of course, si Ali Pique has that trademark. Parang si Iron Mike Tyson. Samantala, Jun Limpot, the pride of Surigao, former Green Archer from De La Salle.
At nasa penalty na itong batang Red Bull, while Barangay Ginebra only with 3 team fouls.
Medyo bumaba ang scoring in Jun Limpot last year. Average 15.5 points per game, only the 10th best among the locals and a career low para sa kanya. Only 7.3 rebounds per game and 1.9 assists. Of course, he was traded this year mula sa Santa Lucia patungo sa Barangay Ginebra para kay Marlo Aquino. And well, so far, the main man, the big deal, has delivered for the Kings. 8 points in the game for Jun Limpot. A 2-point lead para sa Barangay Ginebra. Happy to have you with us, Philippines. Torion, again, out of control, almost lost that ball. It will remain with them. However, you know, one thing about Torion, bagamat he was the best in assists PBL, he was also the worst in the league pagdating sa turnovers per game. He had 4.9 turnovers kada laro.
Well, sabi nga sa atin ni Coach Yeng Guiano, he wants Agustin to be there inside the court with Torion to stabilize his game, no?
Nice move. Agustin drops it off. Raimundo, wala. The tap, hinabol niya to. Dignadis is back in the game now. Agustin with a looper and he has 4 points in the first quarter. Agustin showing his magical hands early in this game. And the former MVP from Pampanga gives another deadlock at 14. Dignadise, binigay kay Meneses. Wala. Rebound. And that'll be a loose ball foul. Laban kay Ato Agustin.
Maganda yung positioning ni Wilmer Ong. Partner, nasa penalty na ang batang Red Bull. So again, shooting situation here for Barangay Ginebra. Kanina nabanggit mo nga ito si Jimwell Torion. Very speedy player pero still needs a little bit of maturity but definitely an exciting prospect.
Oh yes, at si Yeng Yao. Nakikita niya ang prospect itong batang ito. Of course, si Yeng Yao, another comeback story with 18.1 seconds remaining. 3 years na nagbakasyon ito si Yeng Yao from coaching. Of course, joined our panel, still remains with us in the Viva Vintage Sports panel. But is so happy to be back coaching in the PBA.
And it's so nice to see him back, partner. Alam naman natin ito si Coach Yeng Yao has won 2 championships.
Sabi ko sa kanya, he's like Larry Brown ng Philadelphia 76ers, even si Pat Riley, na gustong-gusto yung mga teams na mga, well, bata, mga bago. Yan ang kanilang gustong-gusto. Again, another challenge for Yeng Yao.
Yes.
Samantala, si Chris Bolado has checked in to the ball game. Pinalta niya si Kirby Raimundo. Tanpua is also here. Bernard Tanpua.
So maraming mga bagong player at maganda rin ang ginagawa nitong dalawang coaches. They know that this is going to be a long, grueling grind.
2 seconds remaining. Torion, wala. Malakas yung tirang yon. At pababayaan na lamang ni Verel Meneses sa bola. And Barangay Ginebra being packed to the rafters. Well, we mean it mga kaibigan. Today's attendance, 17,045. Ang normal standing room sa Araneta Coliseum is 16,600. And today, we are more than standing room. At kami po ay nagpapasalamat muli sa inyo lahat sa pagtangkilik, sa patuloy niyong pagtangkilik ng bayan ng Superstars.
Again, partner, Barangay Ginebra taking too long to set the table. Ito yung tira. Yes!
Miski nung bangga kay Meneses, naibato pa rin niya laban kay Bernard Tanpua. At ang Barangay Ginebra ngayon, 3 na ang abante, 17-14.
Magandang pacing ng Barangay Ginebra, partner. Nakaupo ngayon si Val David, nakaupo si Jun Limpot. At ano ito?
Offensive foul na naman. Laban sa batang Red Bull. And this will go against Tanpua. His first personal foul. Dito na lumalabas yung
Rookie mistake si Kanga,
pagiging bagito nito mga to sa PBA. Of course, they're veterans sa PBL pero iba pa rin ang laro pagdating dito sa bayan ng Superstars.
Ito si Meneses, patuloy siyang nagdadala ng bola para sa Barangay Ginebra.
At yung movement ng Barangay Ginebra, kinito patuloy ang galaw nila.
Well, crisper ang kanilang galaw ngayon.
Oo, pinilit yun. However, ni Will Marong, napulot ni Dignadise ang loose ball. They have a fresh 24, a minute gone by in the second quarter. And there's another foul here. Tanpua will pick up another one.
At medyo na-frustrate na yata ito si Bernard Tanpua. Sabi ni Berel Meneses, relax ka lang kid.
O, nalaro mo pa lang to. Marami ka pang maaharap dito na mas mabigat pa sa akin.
Partner, nare-recognize naman ng coaching staff ng Barangay Ginebra. Nagkakaroon ng mismatch dun sa loob, no? Especially with Vergel Meneses. You need to double him when he's there down low. Eto na si Meneses. He's not being double teamed and he's going to get away with another 2 points.
Patay na.
Kung hindi mo i-double team ito si Vergel Meneses, he is going to score.
He is as quick as a cat underneath, and Tanpua was just lost on defense. And sinabi niya ni Yeng Giao, sabi niya, my biggest matchup problem today will be against Vergel Meneses, and certainly it is beginning to show now. 6 points for the aerial Voyager. Tanpua, babawiin kaya? Yes, he does. Nakita natin some of the numbers or statistics brought to you by Quick Tight, the all-in-one glue.
Partner, nice shooting touch coming from Tanpua. Partner, maganda yung tira ni Tanpua, showing a nice stroke from medium range.
Another one of those brought up by Batang Red Bull. 19-16 ang ating talaan. Here's Meneses again against Tanpua. Faking. Nowhere to go, and there's going to be a held ball. Nice defense that time by Tanpua. Not backing up, not backing down.
Partner, ang nangyari doon, Meneses stopped his dribble and he was still away from the basket. Kanya medyo malayo pa siya.
Head and shoulder fake, and he is gone. Wow. Meneses, alam niya na this year, Inito, will be the year that he will have to carry this Barangay Ginebra team.
Totoo yan. At meron naman siya mga kasama, no? Jun Limpot, Val David. Both of them are still sitting on the bench.
Taas ng lundog ni Meneses, natapik ang bola patungo kay Alex Crisano. Abante po ang Ginebra ng 3, 19-16. Crisano. Parang they have a triangle of their own, ha?
Exactly, partner. Nakita yata ni Coach Alan Caydic. Ito si Wilmer Ong, medyo mabagal sa takbo ng laro ng Barangay Ginebra offense. Kanya na pinalitan si Ong with Crisano.
That would have been a spectacular shot from Ronald Magtulis kung pumasok yung kanina. Nonetheless, bola ng Batang Red Bull. Narito si Chris Bolado sa tuktok. Torion going inside, pass inside. Pero nakatapak sa linya si Kirby Raimundo. Sayang, dahil ang ganda ng pasa ni Torion.
Well, partner, kung titignan natin ang lineup ni Coach Yeng Giao on the floor, no, he always makes sure that he has either Ato Agustin or Glenn Capacio inside to provide the steadying influence.
Di pa natin nakikita si
Edmond
Reyes, isa pang veterano na galing sa Pure Foods TJ Hot Dogs. Nakuha nila sa dispersal draft.
Yes, yung isang pinili din nila sa expansion draft, ito si Mar Morelos. He's still injured, no? And, he won't be back in action till about June because he's undergoing rehab. Pero he has been released by Batang Red Bull.
Samantala si Bolado hinabol yung tira ni Alex Crisano, and that'll be his first personal foul. Our first close-up look at Alex Crisano. Big guy, punong-puno ng tato, parang si Dennis Rodman.
Oo nga, no?
Pero yung kanyang headgear ay parang si Chito Loizaga.
Foul shot inside.
He's got a wide body just to bang inside. Perfect fit for a big man dito sa PBA. As we take a look at Val David checking back in, Meneses will sit down.
Patuloy yung pagpalit ng tao, pero sandali. Si Meneses is about to check back in.
Kamali ata na papalitan. Samantala si Crisano converts both free throws. At ang abante ng Barangay Ginebra, 5 puntos with less than 9 minutes remaining sa second quarter. And there's going to be a foul laban kay Val David. You know, one thing I noticed about Torion is that as you see this ball hitting referee Bernie De Jos, parang ito si Torion would rather shoot first than pass. And that's something na maaari sigurong makorek niya as he's playing career proceeds dito sa PBA.
Well, on the positive side naman, nakikita natin dito kay Torion, partner, yung kanyang lightning quick first step.
At walang takot.
Oo, once he takes that twirl and on that first step, using the wide pick from his teammate, he's gone.
One thing about him also is playing with low-cut rubber shoes. As we take a look at our quick tight numbers here. And there's another shot inside. Finally, Kirby Raimundo gets away para sa kanyang unang 2 puntos dito sa PBA.
Well, nakita natin sa graphic natin, 5 turnovers na itong Batang Red Bull as against only 1 ng Barangay Ginebra. Here's the shot from the outside.
In and out para kay Val David. 3 puntos ang abante ng Barangay Ginebra pero nasa atake ang Batang Red Bull. Bolado The lucky charm. He goes inside and he's fouled by Alex Crisano. That will be number 3 now on Alex Crisano.
Tatlo na yan, partner. Kita mo naman ang ngiti ni Chris Bolado. He fished for that foul. Crisano, siya palagay ko pinakamalaking player ng Barangay Ginebra.
That's true.
And he is in foul trouble now.
At pupunta sa linya si Chris Bolado. Jumbo Bolado. He'd rather be called lucky, and why not? Bolado had 10 straight PBA final stints. Unbelievable for a role player like Chris Bolado. 10 straight with Alaska, Purefoods, and Ginebra from 1994 up to 1997. Of course, kasama rin siya ng San Miguel last year when they won a championship sa Governor's Cup. And of course, Yeng Giao, the rest of the coaching staff and management of Batang Red Bull is hoping that he will bring his lucky charm to Batang Red Bull this year. 21-18, score remains with a 3-point lead para sa Barangay Ginebra. Lundenport nasa labas, 7 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Lob pass, Meneses could not handle that one. Tignan short stab, wala. Picked up by Torion. Bounce pass para kay Glenn Capasio, off the glass pero masyadong matulis. Outlet, Meneses, open court. Here's the aerial Voyager! Yes!
And that's what he does best, partner, in the open court. Vergel Meneses eluding the defense. Kita mo naman ang kanyang hang time.
Maybe the best in the open court. Vergel Meneses. Oh, miscommunication between Bolado and Torion. Again, Abantes in import. Loses the handle, however, as he looked at the basket before catching the ball, and it'll be a turnover laban sa Barangay Ginebra.
Partner, yung pasa ni Torion, no? Supposed to be for Chris Bolado. I think Torion should realize that ito si Bolado may not be as quick as him. As the no?
Totoo yan.
Medyo forward passing ang ginawa ni Torion. Dapat medyo he should realize the assets of his teammates. No?
Naku, ito na naman.
Naku, offensive foul.
Alam mo, tatlo na yan na offensive foul mula sa Batang Red Bull.
Talsik, partner. Talsik si Baldavid.
Pag tumama ka naman talaga sa pader, mahirap na hindi ka tumalsik. Panoorin natin nito, ha. Panoorin niyo si Chris Bolado at si Baldavid. Parang goma o parang bolang tumama sa pader. Tumalbog na lamang si Baldavid, and Chris Bolado will pick up his second foul. As we take a look at Lordy Tugade checking in for the first time para sa Batang Red Bull. Of course, bumalik na rin sa panig ng Batang Red Bull si Devon Harp. Here's Meneses. Turning around, missing that one. Offensive rebound. Magtulis is underneath. Nowhere to go.
Tama yung ginawa ni Magtulis, partner, no?
Wala siyang makitang basket. Puro kamay. Limpot with a fake. Gets away from his man. Pero wala. Alam mo, Barangay Ginebra, nagpapakita dito ng iba't ibang klaseng galaw, ha? They are all pumped up for this game. They're on top by 5 at the moment. Tugade at the post. Pinasa kay Von Harp. Tugade with a jump shot. He has a touch from the outside. Missing that one and nakala with rebound. Mula kay Vergel Meneses.
Lakas ng rebound. Well, we all know ito si Vergel Meneses has that great leaping ability. Pero partner, despite the fact that itong Batang Red Bull has been plagued by a lot of turnovers, they're down by only 5 points.
Lumalaban ng gusto-gusto. In and out. Well, that has also been ang rason kung bakit hindi makalayo ang Barangay Ginebra. The shooting has not been excellent, actually.
Ito si Tampua.
In and out. 5 minutes and 40 remaining sa second quarter. Opening day, opening game of the 25th year ng Bayan ng Superstars. Mayang gabi, kaninyong tanan sa ating po mga kababayan sa Cebu City. Noli Yala po kasama si Kinito Henson. Meneses, binigay kay Dice. 2 seconds sa shot clock. Libre si David. Yes, sir! That's a 3-point conversion. Mula kay David. And that is just enough. Yeng Giao has seen enough dahil ang Barangay Ginebra has an 8-point lead dito sa second quarter. Part of the crowd is over 17,000 crowd sa loob ng Big Dome. And Devon Harp finally gets a basket para sa batang Red Bull.
Partner, I think that is a play that Red Bull must concentrate on. Get the ball in the hands of the Harp inside. Ito, nakikita natin ang turnovers ng Red Bull at saka yung field goal percentage ng dalawang koponan.
Our statistics is brought to you by Quick Tight, the all-in-one glue. 11 seconds sa shot clock ng Barangay Ginebra. 4:45 remaining sa ikalawang yugto. Shot clock is down to 8.
Partner, napapansin natin dito, medyo babad sina Magtulis at saka si Dice.
Oh, bailout shot. That
Oh,
will
yes.
trickle in.
Shooter's bounce ni Baldabit.
7 puntos para kay Flash. 8 points para kay Meneses, 8 points for Limpot, and that has been the big three for Barangay Ginebra today.
O partner, yung dalawang veterano ni Coach Yang Giao, nasa loob na naman, no? Agustin and Capasio. I think he realizes that rookies are committing too many turnovers. Ito,
Capasio sa kanto. Yan ang kailangan nila. They need a steady presence, and Glenn Capasio finally gets his first field goal, a 3-point shot.
alam mo, partner, magandang kombinasyon niya, no? If Capasio and Agustin wax hot from the outside and Devon Harp is unstoppable inside, well, it's going to be very tough for Barangay Ginebra to play defense. Ano ba ang concentration nila? Sa labas o sa ilalim?
Let's see anong tawag dito. Bola pa rin daw ng Barangay Ginebra. Handled last by Harp. With 3:51 remaining sa second quarter. Baseline inbound. 5 abante ng Barangay Ginebra. Batang Red Bull led kanina by as many as 4 points. But they trailed by 8 points just a while back.
Ito si Agustin ngayon ang tumatao kay Verhel Meneses, but they double team him.
Limpot faking Harp. But he will be called for steps.
At nakita natin, partner, yung dalawa nag-double team kay Verhel Meneses, yung dalawang veterano ni Coach Yang Giao, Capasio and Agustin, making sure that Verhel Meneses passed the ball instead of taking the shot from low post.
At mapupunan mo doon, Ginito, dinoble team lamang noong binaba ni Meneses yung bola. When he started this dribble, doon ni dinoble team.
Tama.
Here's Harp.
Ito, again, facing the basket.
11 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Kicks it out. Ngayon naman si Agustin. Siya naman ang bibira sa labas. Rebound, picked up by Dignadice.
Again, yung slow down game ng Barangay Ginebra.
A low-scoring opening day game. Abante po ang Ginebra ng 5 puntos. Lago. 7 seconds to shoot.
Taking too long, partner, itong Barangay Ginebra, ha?
Tumira na naman si Meneses. Short. Picked up by Dignadice sa baseline. He gets away pero tumapak siya sa linya. And that'll be a possession para sa batang Red Bull with 2:48 remaining sa second quarter.
Yan ang moving spirit ng Viva and now brings his expertise to Viva Vintage Sports.
At Agustin, hinaharap ni Baldavid sa Playatira. Look at Raimundo challenging for that one, and there's going to be a loose ball foul against Ives Dignadice. That's the enthusiasm of youth.
Ito naman, coming from the outside, ito si Kirby Raimundo putting both his hands on the ball. Siguro dapat sabihin din natin, partner, itong batang Red Bull is not playing here in full force because meron silang isang bagong player na pangalan Michael Penisi who stands 6'9", good outside shooter, who is waiting for his papers to be cleared by the Bureau of Immigration. At balita natin, his papers will be cleared any day now.
Pinisi ang pangalan, ha?
Yes, Penisi, he was born in Italy, Filipina mother, Italian father, then migrated to Australia, played in the Australian Leagues partner, and also played in Eastern Michigan in the US.
Well, we're certainly going to expect that one. Samantala, si Verhel Meneses is getting away with that layup. Laban kay Ato Agustin. And Ginebra continues to lead by 5 with 1 minute and 45 remaining sa second quarter. Harp. Hinaharap si Limpot. Pasa niya sa loob. Ang hirap na. Tugade will be called for steps. In traffic was that pass.
Nice defense by Barangay Ginebra. Nakita nila na may kakat doon to get the pass from Devon Harp.
Yan nga pala sa ating mga fans ng PBA. Well, at the half, magkakaroon po tayo ng interview with, of course, our Commissioner Bernardino, to talk about the season opener and a lot of the new things that are in store for all of the PBA fans ngayong taong 2000. Samantala, There's a turnover here of an interception and a blocking foul laban kay Jun Limpot will ensue. That'll be the first foul against the main man. Tsaka kinito, meron tayong bagong bibigay na award at the end of the game, of course, yung Super Vulcasil Tapal King. At of course, ang Super Vulcasil nagbabalik as one of our sponsors dito sa Bayan ng Superstars, and we will have that award at the end of the game kasama na ng ating iba pang mga awards katulad ng No Fear Slam Dunk. As we take a look at the Batang Red Bull bench, one familiar face there. Kilala natin yan, si Andy Howe, assistant team manager. Katabi siya nung shaven na si Roel Nadurata, ngayon ang assistant coach ng Batang Red Bull. Tap out.
Alam mo, partner, we also have to give credit to Mr. George Chua, no, the team owner of Batang Red Bull, bringing this franchise to the PBA and doing a great job inspiring his boys to play their guts out. No? At ang kanilang team manager na si Tony Chua,
standing up,
staff, and all the front office personnel of Batang Red Bull.
Less than a minute remaining. Limpot, kinarga ang bola. Oh, what a move! Bit niya sa kanyang balik o sa kanyang braso yung bola, getting away from Devon Harp, and the lead is up to 7 points now with 35 seconds remaining. Pugade, he has not showed a thing. Laban kay Meneses. Now he goes up. Finally gets a basket.
Partner, medyo napabayaan yun ni Verhel Meneses. Nice fadeaway, partner, but he was too close to the basket for Verhel Meneses to play him that loose. Dapat yun talagang didikitan.
14 seconds na lamang po ang nalalabi sa first half. Ginebra on top by 5, trying to take the last crack at the basket.
Ito, kita mo,
4 seconds.
Widely scattered.
Wala na.
Yung offense.
And that'll do it para sa ating first 24 minutes ng opening day ng 25th year of the PBA. Barangay Ginebra behind the big three. Limpot, Meneses, and David combining for a 5-point lead after the first 24 minutes laban sa bagong saltang Batang Red Bull. A lot of things will happen at the half. Diyan lang po kayo sa pagbabalik ng inyong Bayan ng Superstars.